so let's talk about how to use the leather protector. First up, you will need the leather protector, and you'll also need the clean cloth that actually comes with it. Just remember not to use the same cloth that you use for the conditioner, because the conditioner is oily and this is a wax. So you don't want to combine the two. So to apply the protector is very simple. Just give it a bit of a shake. Pour the protector directly into the cloth and just wipe it over evenly over the whole area. And what this is going to do once it's dry, it's going to give you a nice silky buttery feel, which is what you want. And it's also going to seal in the leather conditioner so that it keeps it from evaporating or slows it down from evaporating. So there we go, we just let that dry now, and I'll come back once it's dry and we can have a look at it. So here we are, a few minutes later, and it's dried down to a nice natural sheen, which is exactly what we want. So there you go folks, that's how you do it.